is for ambulance. Ambulance. Sirens scream and lights flash red, rushing fast to help instead. B is for bicycle. Bicycle. Pedals spin and wheels roll round. Ding ding bell makes happy sound. C is for cargo truck. Cargo. Hauls big boxes far away, rolling strong both night and day. D is for drone. Drone. Buzzing high above the street, flying fast with tiny feet. E is for engine train. Engine. Choo-choo pulls the cars behind, rolling steady line by line. F is for ferry. Ferry. Crosses water wide and blue, carries cars and people too. G is for go-kart. Go-kart. Small and speedy, low and fast, zooming fun that doesn't last. H is for hoverboard. Hover. Glides along without a wheel, balancing takes lots of skill. I is for icebreaker. Ice. Ship that cracks the frozen sea, clearing paths for boats to be. J is for jet. Jet. Roar so loud above the clouds, zooms away both fast and proud. K is for kick scooter. Kick. Push and roll along the lane, simple rides again and again. L is for limousine. Limo. Long and shiny, smooth and slow, fancy rides wherever go. M is for monorail. Mono. Single track up in the air, glides through city everywhere. N is for news van. News. Cameras ready, lights shine bright, reporting stories day and night. O is for off-road jeep. Off-road. Climbs through mud and rocky ground, adventure ride is always found. P is for pickup truck. Pickup. Strong and steady, tough and wide, carries loads with heavy pride. Q is for quad bike. Quad. Four-wheel ride on dirt and sand, bumpy fun so bold and grand. R is for road roller. Roller. Big round wheel makes streets so flat, smooths the road, imagine that. S is for sailboat. Sail. Wind fills up the sail so wide, across the waves it loves to glide. T is for tractor. Tractor. Pulls the plow across the land, farmer's helper, oh so grand. U is for unicycle. Uni. One wheel balance, spin and try, careful riding, don't go fly. V is for van. Van. Packed with bags and people too, road trip ready, me and you. W is for wagon. Wagon. Pull it slow or push it fast, rolling fun that always lasts. X is for Xpress Train. Express. Rushing fast along the rail, speedy ride without a fail. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Floating calm on ocean blue, smooth and fancy, scenic view. Z is for Zamboni. Zam. Glides on ice to make it bright, skating